Guys, Microsoft Windows 7 goes end of life on January the 14th, 2020. This means that Microsoft will no longer be providing any help or support for users still on Windows 7. I know this is important news to quite a lot of you because it is said that up to 39% of PCs are still using Microsoft Windows 7. And this means that Microsoft are now pushing everyone to be upgrading to Windows 10, and we're doing the exact same too. So what does it actually mean now that Windows 7 is going end of life? Well, for those that stay on Windows 7 after the end of life date, you will no longer receive any help or support from Microsoft when encountering any sort of problems. This can result in increased downtime, reduced productivity, and can further expose you to cyber threats. So what are the next steps for you? Well, luckily, OneStop have created a step-by-step checklist for upgrading from Windows 7 to Windows 10. So to get that document, guys, just click on the link in the description or check the last LinkedIn post. If you guys have any other questions or would like to talk to us at all about upgrading to Windows 10, then feel free to give any of the OneStop team a shout. Thanks, guys.